How to file taxes in Canada with TurboTax Self-Employed. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open the TurboTax Self-Employed Canada version. Now log into your account. Once you have been logged in, also make sure that you've gathered all of your documents. Now you want to click on Start a New Return. Go ahead and enter your SIN, name, address, marital status, and dependents. Once you have entered all of your personal information, you want to enter your self-employment income details, enter your business name, business type, and total income. TurboTax will generate Form T2125 Statement of Business Activities. Now you want to claim business expenses, reduce taxable income by entering eligible expenses such as office expenses, advertising and marketing, home office, vehicle cost, meals and entertainment, and professional fees. TurboTax will calculate the allowable deduction automatically based on your business use percentage. Now enter other deductions and credits. Once that is done, you can link your CRA My Account to TurboTax to automatically import T4A, T5, RRSP, and other tax slips. Now review all the information you have entered, then you can file via NetFile, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.